Just when we were settling into the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, rumors about its successor, the DJI Osmo Action 6, are already making waves. If you've been following the action camera industry, you know that DJI isn't one to stay idle for long. Now, with fresh leaks and reports surfacing, it seems another upgrade is on the horizon. But is it too soon? What's new? What's changing? And most importantly, should we be excited or skeptical about this next-gen action camera? While official details remain under wraps, FCC and SGS filings have provided enough insights to get enthusiasts buzzing. So, what exactly does the Osmo Action 6 bring to the table? And how does it fit into DJI's rapidly evolving camera lineup? Let's break down all the latest leaks, rumors, expected specs, and potential improvements to see whether this new action cam will be worth the hype. Regulatory filings. A clue to an imminent launch? For those unfamiliar, regulatory filings serve as early indicators of an upcoming product release. Whenever a company starts registering its devices for certification, it's a clear sign that launch plans are in motion. That's exactly what's happening with the DJI Osmo Action 6. Recent FCC and SGS authority filings have listed a device under the DJI Osmo Action 6 name, notably missing the Pro tag. What does this mean? Could DJI be releasing a standard version this time? Will there be a Pro model later? Or is DJI changing its naming convention entirely? Historically, DJI doesn't delay long between regulatory filings and official releases. If the leaks are accurate, we could see an announcement as early as 2025. That's a rapid turnaround, especially since the Action 5 Pro is still relatively fresh in the market. So, what's the rush? Is DJI responding to GoPro's latest innovations? Or is this simply another iterative update with minor refinements? Leaked specs, battery, connectivity, and more. One of the most concrete details emerging from these filings is battery capacity. Two different capacities have been listed. 720 mAh 1950 mAh. This suggests that two versions of the Osmo Action 6 might be in the works. The 1950 mAh battery matches the Action 5 Pro, meaning we could see a Pro variant once again. The smaller 1770 mAh battery, however, hints at a more compact, budget-friendly version catering to casual users who don't necessarily need high-end specs. In terms of connectivity, reports indicate Bluetooth 5.1 dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz, and 5 GHz. These are standard features that ensure fast wireless transfers and seamless integration with DJI's mobile apps and accessories. While nothing groundbreaking, they check the necessary boxes for a premium action camera experience. What should DJI improve with the Osmo Action 6? While the Osmo Action 5 Pro was well received, it wasn't without its flaws. If DJI wants to make the Osmo Action 6 a worthy upgrade, it needs to address the following areas. Better low-light performance action cameras often struggle in low-light conditions, and past DJI models have been no exception. If DJI can enhance sensor size or introduce improved image processing, it could be a game-changer for nighttime and low-light shots. Higher resolutions and frame rates, the Action 5 Pro delivered great image quality, but with competitors like GoPro pushing 5.3K resolutions, DJI needs to match or surpass these capabilities. If the Osmo Action 6 can support 4K at 120 FPS with higher bitrates, it could attract content creators, vloggers, and extreme sports enthusiasts. Enhanced stabilization, DJI's rock-steady stabilization, is already impressive, but GoPro's Hypersmooth and Insta360's Flow State have set the bar even higher. To truly compete, the Osmo Action 6 needs to push stabilization technology further. Improved durability and design. While the Osmo Action series is already compact and rugged, minor tweaks can make a big difference. A lighter body, better waterproofing, and reinforced lens protection would be welcome improvements. Expected price and market positioning. If DJI sticks to its usual pricing strategy, we can expect the Osmo Action 6 to be positioned just below GoPro's flagship models. The Action 5 Pro launched around $400, so a reasonable estimate would be Standard version, $300, $350 for budget-conscious buyers. Pro variant, $450, $500 for those wanting premium features. However, if DJI decides to increase the price, it will need to justify the cost with serious hardware and software upgrades. Otherwise, users may simply opt for a discounted Action 5 Pro or a competing GoPro model. Competitive landscape. How does the Osmo Action 6 fit in? The action camera market is more competitive than ever. Here's how DJI stacks up against rivals. GoPro Hero Series. GoPro remains the gold standard with 5.3K video, hyper-smooth stabilization, and a massive ecosystem of accessories. Insta360 continues to push innovation with modular designs and 360-degree capabilities. Smartphones, with flagship phones offering high-quality video recording, the need for standalone action cameras is being questioned. DJI's strength has always been delivering high-end features at a lower price than GoPro. If they maintain that approach, they could solidify their place in the market. However, if the Osmo Action 6 is merely a minor upgrade, convincing buyers to choose it over the GoPro Hero 13, black could be a tough challenge. Will accessories make a difference? One area where DJI could stand out is accessories and modularity. Will the Osmo Action 6 introduce better magnetic mounting, more secure lens filter attachments, improved external audio support? Audio remains a pain point for many creators. If DJI makes it easier to connect high-quality microphones without bulky adapters, it could gain a significant edge over GoPro. Final thoughts. Should you be excited for the Osmo Action 6? The DJI Osmo Action 6 is definitely coming, and the leaks suggest it will bring some meaningful updates. But will it be a true generational leap or just a minor refinement? If you already own the Osmo Action 5 Pro, you'll need to decide whether the upgrades justify an upgrade. If you're new to the DJI ecosystem, this could be the perfect entry point, assuming the price and features align with expectations. With DJI moving fast, it raises an important question. Are they innovating or simply keeping up with the competition? Time will tell whether the Osmo Action 6 delivers on its promises. What do you think? Are you excited for the DJI Osmo Action 6? What features do you want to see? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.